The Decriminalizing Artistic Expression Act was passed into law in 2022. It limits the use of rap lyrics in criminal prosecution and gives artists new tools to defend themselves. Detective Hernandez with the Sacramento County Sheriff's Office says promoting criminal activity with music is not uncommon.
They get the clout and they get the intimidation through this music. That's the primary source.
Through our reporting, we've learned at least 2 men who are at the deadly November 29th birthday party are connected to the Stockton rap scene. Both men were arrested for parole violations, but are not considered to be suspects in the shooting itself. The investigation into a motive is ongoing and no suspects have been named. But because of the involvement of local rappers, many people head to lyrics trying to connect the dots.
The music is where that multiplies, gets a lot of views, a lot of traction, and then it just elicits a response from the people that they're speaking about, where this kind of thing unfortunately is kind of inevitable.
A legal expert with McGeorge School of Law tells us how the law specifies what kind of lyrics could be used as evidence.
It can be used, but for very specific purposes, again, to demonstrate intent in particular, but also, in other words, that really the lyric should speak directly to that crime as opposed to crime generically, for example.
We asked the professor in his professional opinion if this law helps protect free speech or if it gets in the way of prosecution. He responded that the law by the legislature attempted to strike the balance between those two competing interests.
It certainly isn't intended to block all prosecutions, but it also inherently acknowledges the potential undue bias created by that.
In Sacramento, I'm Anahita Jafari, KCRA 3 News.
Now, one of the men arrested at that birthday party for parole violations was in court today. Authorities say that Billy Williams is not a suspect in the shooting. He does have a criminal history, and he did violate his parole conditions the night of the shooting. Williams was appointed a new attorney today. A pre-conference hearing has been set for Wednesday, and a trial date is scheduled for December 16th.